Find a quiet place, sit there comfortably, and gently close your eyes. Now notice your breath without trying to change it. And also notice if you feel tense or relaxed. Now inhale through your nose and then exhale through your mouth. Continue to take deep, full breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth. As you breathe, become aware of the state of your body and the quality of your mind. Where is your body holding tension? Where is your mind? Is it wandering, or is it at home within the breath? Is your mind at ease or filled with negativity and doubt? Simply notice. Now place both hands over your heart and continue to inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Ask yourself, how does it feel to place my hands over this tender area? This place where I experience love for self and others. Let your breath become more smooth and effortless, and begin to breathe in and out through your nose. Feel the flow of air moving into your lungs and then back out into the world. With each exhale, imagine you are releasing negative thoughts that may be holding in your mind. Continue to focus on your breath. On each inhale, think I am worthy, and on each exhale, I am enough. Let each inhale draw in self-love, and each exhale release what is no longer serving you. Take a few minutes to breathe and recite this mantra internally. Notice how you feel as you say these words to yourself. When you inhale, I am worthy. When you exhale, negative thought. Notice how your thoughts come and go, whether positive or negative, and simply allow them to pass on by like clouds floating in the sky. Now visualize yourself standing in front of a mirror and look into your own eyes. What do you see? Pain and sadness, love and joy, or neutrality? Regardless of what appears in the reflection, tell yourself now, I love you. I love you. You are beautiful. You are worthy of happiness. You are a beautiful creature of God, and you deserve to be happy. And today you choose happiness for yourself. Now imagine that you could breathe into your heart and visualize love pouring out of your hands and into your heart. Just visualize love pouring out of your hands and into your heart. Let this love warm you from your heart center, filling the rest of your body. Feel a sense of comfort and calm traveling up through your chest, into your neck and head, out into your shoulders, arms and hands, and then down into your ribs, belly, legs and feet. Allow a sensation of warmth to fill you from head to toe. Breathe here and know that love is always available for you when you need it. And for that, you don't need anyone else. Your own self-love is enough. When you are ready, take a few more deep mindful breaths and then softly open your eyes. Sit for a few moments to acknowledge the unique experience you had during this meditation. Practice this meditation whenever you need to create a loving space for yourself. Thank you.